Hello, this is Daniel Howe. This is the video demonstration for the final assignment in engineering programming, the Labview section. We were to design a function generator, oscilloscope, and spectrum analyzer with the Labview software. So let me give you a quick demonstration of what mine can do. The function generator can produce 15 different waveforms, DC, sine, square, sawtooth, and triangle waves, each with the option of two different kinds of noise, either Gaussian or uniform. This knob controls the noise level, either amplitude or standard deviation, depending on which type of noise you've selected, and that is available in with all the different waveforms. We can adjust the frequency. There's a frequency multiplier here to quickly go back and forth between orders of magnitude. The maximum is 20 kilohertz. As you'd expect, we can adjust the amplitude and add a DC offset. Notice that when you change setting, it adjusts the suffix and puts on the display the most recently changed item. I did that by using this neat little VI where it was in the signal processing section, and it creates a brief Boolean true pulse every time the data has a change in value. And these switch things in the while loops allowed for these little flip-flops that are effectively clocked by a change. That was the only way that I was able to get the values to stay on the display after they were changed and not revert to a default case. Now let's take a look at the oscilloscope. I use three property nodes, one for the spectrum analyzer horizontal axes, and also for the volts per division and the timing. Each of these have 5 different resolutions as per the instructions. The maximum is 20 milliseconds per division, going down to half a millisecond per division. The volts per division also has 5. Maximum is 4 volts per division, going down to a quarter of a volt per division. I put a vertical adjust as well on this with an enable switch, so you can shoot it immediately back to what you had it. The signal triggers, pretty standard. There's some measurement options. It records the maximum, minimum, mean, a peak-to-peak value, the frequency. Again, the maximum frequency is 20 kilohertz. Now let's take a look at the spectrum analyzer. We're at 123 hertz, so let's go to the 500 hertz resolution. So just about right. Let's take a look at a square wave for some side bands. And let's add a little bit of noise so you can see some of that crackle. Alright, that concludes my demonstration of the project. Thank you very much for your attention. I've really enjoyed this class. What a fascinating group of softwares. Thank you.